Factoring by grouping, Iril Faustino presents. Steps. Set an example. Second, group the three terms into two. 3. Get their GCMF or simply find their common factor. 4th, divide each number by their respective GCMF. And 5th, simplify them. Example, 28CV plus 35C plus 20B plus 25, and this is our problem. Group the three terms into two, and this is what I got. And third, get their GCMF. Their GCMF is, in the first term, is 7. In the second term is 5. Divide them by their respective GCMF. Divide 7 in this term and divide 5 in this term in each number. And this divide to 4, divide to this, divide to this. That's what I got when we divide this, and this is the simplest form. And the final answer is 4y plus 5, quantity 7x plus 5. Thank you so much.